G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean and this is RFD Hobby. Now I haven't put out a lot of content recently and I do apologise for that. It's been a tough few months. Now I am currently back at the house. We're about to have the demo done, so I'm just checking to make sure there's no other bits and pieces here that I might be able to save. And I wanted to show you guys just what's happened with the Battlemat I made. I always get questions about how it's held up over time, and I figured in this case we may as well have a quick look and see how it held up in the fire. So we'll go have a quick look where it is and I'll pull it out and we'll take a look. Alright, so we've got to go down in here into my cupboard where this was sitting here for probably a good 5 or 6 months before the fire, so hasn't really moved anywhere, but we'll get it out and have a bit of a look at it. It does have some dirty shit on it. That's not too bad. A bit curled up on the end there, but as you guys can see, it's very flexible. And I think just sitting here in the sun for a little bit will probably help get some of those bends out of there. But as you can see, it's actually still held up really well. So if you do consider making one of these for yourself, it holds up really well. This was just made on a piece of plastic back canvas, that drop sheet for painting. And as you can see, rolls up alright. And after a good 12 months of being rolled up on that tube there, it seems to roll out pretty flat, except for these edges obviously, which has been a bit affected by the heat and possibly leaning on the floor. Maybe, I'm not too sure which end that was, but yeah, as you can see, it's held up really well. I'll leave a link to this one below, so if you do want to check it out, you can have a crack at it yourself. Alright, I'm going to keep cracking away in here and see how we go with finding some more stuff that we might be able to pull out, and I'll let you guys know how I go.